Upgrading. It seems simple enough, but there's a little more to it than that. It's about upgrading not just your technology, but the way you interact with technology. Upgrading isn't just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead and having complete control to stay ahead. It's about upgrading not just your devices, but the ecosystem for all devices. It's about upgrading not just the way you work, but what you're working towards. And why? So you can grow that team into a company, into a culture, and into a global phenomenon. So you can convert that trial into a treatment, into a breakthrough, and into more lives saved. So you can mold fresh minds into fresh thinking and into a generation of innovative thinkers. So you can turn that sketch into a model, into a pitch, and into a skyline. So you can upgrade your teams, your company, your industry into something more incredible. With ASUS, you can rely on us to help upgrade your business. With agile solutions tailored to your needs, reliable innovations designed with purpose, and an engineering spirit that's in everything we do. So when you need to upgrade to incredible, trust ASUS to get you there. ASUS Business is powered by Intel vPro.